trends of the day. FIFA World Cup. The curtains closed on the Qatar World Cup, and after 28 days and 64 games, Lionel Messi led Argentina stood on the dais with the trophy in their hands. Goa Liberation Day. After 451 long years and tyrannical rule by the barbaric Portuguese, they were overthrown and Goa was liberated on December 19, 1961, which is now honored as Goa Liberation Day. Happy Hanukkah. Hanukkah means dedication in Hebrew. The 8-day holiday celebrates the rededication of the Temple of Jerusalem after it was retaken by the Maccabees. Miss World. India's Sargam Kaushal is Mrs. World 2022, brings crown back after 21 years. Elon Musk. Should I step down? Elon Musk starts new Twitter poll. For more updates, do like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel Rise Smart Bangla.